Hi guys, welcome back again. This is Lucy. Nataka kuwachanua. I want to empower you. I want to make sure you guys win with me. I'm almost finishing my program. Now, imagine I'm saying I'm finishing my program. People who've been watching me from day one. Wamekukuliza, ndaanzaje hii program ya nursing. My video, I want to empower you. If you want to join my masterclass, I will be taking you through step by step how unaweza get program, prerequisites gani utafanya, depending on the school. So for my school, because I did it, I want to show you how to do it step by step. Wase wa diaspora, wase wa home, huku wenye mmeniona from Marekani, Kenya Marekani TV, Jerry my guy, please send me an email, consultlucyaisha.com. No, consultlucyaisha@gmail.com. Please, kama unataka kuingia shule, umechoka kufanya doubles, unataka kufanya nursing, ama LPN, I am your girl. I will take you through step by step. I will take you through. In fact, I will just say right now what is required, especially for my school. So you're required. Let me tell you, if I did it, I think anybody else can do it. You guys have seen videos of those older people who have graduated with BSNs here in the community. And you're wondering, when is your next chance to go, start? I want to make sure you join a school. If you want to join in January, March, September, whatever, whenever you're ready, I'll tell you for sure. When you do it at a community college, it's so cheap and you can even study and go to work. Sio lazima ufanye program ati full time ati prerequisite. Unachagua subject kama 2 ama 3. Unafanya unamalizana nayo. And I will take you through, I will share with you resources. I will even start a WhatsApp group for nursing students wenye who are strictly wenye wanataka hii program yenye mimi naonyesha. Sina mnajua niko huku saida this other part of this state where this school provides, in fact, they provide evening student option, which is also full-time. You go to class 5 to 10 p.m. Guess what? This program also, wakona, if you can go to school your evening program, unajua unaweza fanya job from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. Na 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. unaingia shule na ni full-time, by the way. Of course, inaka so much clustered, but it's doable. Again, they pick 40 students for evening and 40 students for full-time day. So, please, kama unataka kujoin program. Requirement 1, prerequisites. Prerequisites zenye nimekuwa nikisema ni just English. Na it's possible, it's doable. Msasi kwambie, okay, inaweza kuwa ngumu kidogo, but ni doable. Mbona msijaribu? Kama tumegonga your 844 system back at home, we're all good, we're all fine, we can make it. Okay? And even if una lose subject moja, una fail, haimaanishi it's the end of the world. Inamaanisha you try again. Okay? And this is for so nataka nursing, because sasa mimi sasa nataka kufocus on hiyo history ya nursing, because hiyo sasa ndio mimi nimepenya, nimevuka mpaka, I've been successful with it, so I want to share with you hiyo step by step. First prerequisite, math, English. Kuna website inaitwa Washington State Community College. Hiyo ndio step ya kwanza ya sign up for the community colleges of Washington. Wenangi, you don't go directly to the website ya shule and sign up. Although hiyo link iko kwa website ya hizi shule, hizi community colleges, it's right there, new student registration. You register there, hiyo yote nitakupeleka through masterclass. So you don't worry. Maybe I'm too fast, but just send me a comment or my email. Comment send me the information, ndatuma hiyo link. So hiyo link ya kwanza, the first link, you register hapo online kwa whichever school unataka kwenda. Schools ziko mingi, but make sure umeenda kwa shule zenye ziko registered for nursing programs, okay? Washington State iko na hiyo list. Kisha join, tumia email, nitakutumia hizi information zote, I have them in the email. The first one is you register for community colleges ya shule, and you register to your school, unapata ka number, like a student ID, then unafanya test. For example, shule yetu unafanya test, inaitwa Accuplacer test. See test ati ngumu. It's not a hard test. The test is supposed to just see your college level English na math. Na si ati pronunciation ya words sijui zinakaaje kaleidoscope ama just basic English. Waone mali utaanzia ndio wakuambie which program yenye itakufanya uende to the next one, to the next step. So umefanya test ya English na math, umeona wewe English yako iko fiti, unaweza fanya English 101. Math yako iko fiti, unaweza fanya math 146 for healthcare program, for nursing program. Kama utapita hii level, wanakupatianga level inaweza itwa 098, is like a lower level before the college one. Ufanye hiyo semester, ndio improve, ndio wakupeleke to English 101. But because Wakenya us tumesoma English throughout our life, so hizi mbili utapita. Math is not complicated. Nikaona pia beshte yangu, nikaambia beshte yangu afanye, alikuwa na freak out. Alifanya akasema, Lucy, surely. Hiyo ni kitu nilikuwa naogopa. So I was like, yeah, ni kitu tu mtu, I mean, it's not complicated. Inaweza kuwa complicated to you, but trust me, I know people who are older, they are watching me. I'm here to help you. It's not. Trust me, it's not complicated. Umepita hizo mbili, math, English, haya. Kuna story ya chemistry basic. Zile tu basic stuff za atoms, sijui za potassium, hizo vitu basic. Sio the next level organic. Yes, iko na a little bit organic, but utapita so long as umepita pass mark, which is 2.5 ama ni 2.0 depending on the school. Na hiyo ni kama 75% hivi. Another thing after hiyo ni biology. Biology ziko type 4. Biology 200, cell biology, microbiology 1, not microbiology, anatomy 1 and physiology, anatomy 2 and physiology, and then microbiology. Hizi zote ni vitu basic. Yes, kuna a lot of bones and nini, but vitu tu utasoma and then you'll understand. It's not complicated. Si nimefanya, mbona usifanye? Another thing, wanatakanga mtu afanye psychology ya kama ethics ama critical thinking. Of course, I chose critical thinking because critical thinking is required in the nursing program. Kitu ingine, anthropology, who write papers. They want to see kama unajua how to write, and they will train you. Si ati unapewa paper bila instructions, okay? Now, I say technology may come through. You can use ChatGPT to help you with your writing skills. You ask ChatGPT the questions like the topic that you want. It gives you information. Then you rephrase it. You read it, you understand it, you absorb it, you process it. Now, alafu una type in your own words what you've understood. That's one of the major resources people are now using. In fact, hata mwalimu wetu wa shule alituambia, guys, you guys can use ChatGPT to do your project because I don't understand why we have new technology but people are still refusing to use new technology. Yes, you're using technology, una understand, inakureduce time ya kushinda Google so many questions, inakuletea so many informations. Another one is psychology. They want also us to understand people because in healthcare, it can be so emotional. Kama sio physical sana, emotions run high. They want people to understand themselves. Na ujue kama hii program is fit for you, okay? So, sitaki kuongea mob. I've talked enough for this subject, and I will see you in the next video. Please like, share, subscribe.